Welcome, Excellency. Guru Benaka. Please.
Government of Indonesia very keen to support and to work together to help you and support you, and especially on the sugar cane issue, for instance, because this is one of the very good industry, and we understand that very suitable soil for sugar cane in this particular area. So I'm really hoping very soon that Minister of Agriculture and Minister of Trade with the business delegation to visit Fiji, Major General Wallace, and the next
Tourism of Department.
Tourism Development
Is Nusa Tenggara Province.
from Nusa Tenggara Province, and then
Government from Papua Barat.
from the West Papua.
West Papua.
So Papua, there are two provinces over there. One the Papua province, and another one Well, first of all, I think my discussion, my meeting with the Prime Minister went very well, and from the government of Indonesia convey or extend our condolences on the hurricane issue last February, and number two, the government of Indonesia pledged the $5 million to the rebuilding a school in Queen Victory, and we are sent already our advance team from the engineering company. They arrived already 3 days ago in Fiji, and the main group will be here anytime end of this month or early May, end of April, sorry. And we are hoping that they can do a lot on this thing. Number two, I think we offer also like agriculture support, like we pledge and we send another 100 hand tractors to the Agriculture Minister Office, and beside that, we are talking also that we're going to pledge some other things to support in the near future. Beside that, we going to send our disaster management people to Fiji to provide kind of training here. And we discussed also in the near future the possibility with the Prime Minister, kind of military and police training in Indonesia, and we do hope that we can see some of your police officers to be with us very soon. And beside of that, I discussed with the Minister of Agriculture and Disaster Management here that we're going to enhance our cooperation in this particular area. Yeah. To be honest to you, we are really big surprised that the Category 5 hurricane hit Fiji, which is, I think, a very powerful wind, because as far as I understand, briefed by the Minister of Disaster, and it's like 315 kilometer wind speed, which is, I think, very hard, destroying this so many area in this country.
How do you view the Fijian government's response to the devastation caused by Winston?
I think the government of Fiji working very hard and very well, and I think we move also very well. And this is also that to show to the international community that solidarity on this, especially from some other countries in this particular region, like Indonesia. After we understand this very hard, strong hurricane Category 5, that we are, look at now how fast you recover, and I can see it from, even very quick tour in this in the city, I understand that your government working very hard. Maybe the background of your president and also some minister, military background, so they know how to handle this very quick. And so I can feel it, being my background also as a military. So then I understand military management. I think being involved in this recovery program. Well, I think I'm so, it's a great honor for me to meet the Prime Minister and also Minister of Agriculture, and I can feel, seeing is believing, and especially our background is a military background, and how do they bring the democracy to this country? I think it's a very beautiful. The democracy and discipline is like a two sides of the coin. If you don't have a discipline, you have democracy, it's going to be anarchy. But this country, I can see how do you, how do your president, your government prove it that the democracy is have to be there, but with the discipline. So I share also our experience with the prime ministers, how difficult to just to copy the Western democracy toward our own democracy, but we have to have our own democracy. Based on our own culture, based on our environment. So I believe Fiji can survive with this, can go even move very well in the near future. And I can feel also the concern of Prime Minister with this disaster and how quick he responds to this one. So this is, I think, to show to the international community that the good leadership of your government, your Prime Ministers.
Thank you. Fiji, being part of the Asia-Pacific region, we share the same concerns and we share the same vulnerabilities as well. We have been consistent in our messages in all the regional and international forums. And of course, we look to both countries for leadership as well within the region. For Fiji, particularly in the Southwest Pacific region, we expect Fiji to contribute and of course take leadership as well. But Fiji cannot do it alone, and Fiji therefore relies on its partnership, bilateral relations with our partners within the region, and of course extending into the Asia Pacific as well. Indonesia being one, as demonstrated a few years ago, Indonesia's support to the PIDF. Perhaps PIDF is the platform for us to work on these processes because of the capabilities within as well. Fiji needs capabilities to assist its own operations, not only for Fiji but the region as well. So this is the ideal opportunity for us to strengthen the regional mechanisms that are already in place, and of course with the assistance of our key partners, Indonesia being one.
So just a comment on the assistance that has been pledged by the government of Indonesia.
Again, I just wish to extend again our appreciation on behalf of the Fiji government, and of course, being the ministry responsible for disaster management, Indonesia is one of the key players within the Asia Pacific region, and of course being one of the countries regarded as champions in the area of disaster risk reduction. And of course we learn from most of their best practices, and we would like to access the technology that they have, and of course benefit from their capacity building. And most importantly, we appreciate the assistance that has been given, not only in the area of humanitarian assistance and recovery, but of course contributing towards the key sectors which government has identified, education being one, and of course the assistance in Queen Victoria School. We understand the importance of agriculture in terms of food and economic security, and again, the continued assistance in the area of agriculture is warmly appreciated and acknowledged. And of course, we hope that we will continue to build beyond these recovery operations and strengthen our relationships for the good of the region.
Yes.
Excellency, please.
Well, I think there's the president of. I would like to see more and more Indonesian president in this region, because if we look at the last 10 years, I think our presence in this region very little compared to the northern part of Indonesia. So we like to see the eastern part of Indonesia. We give more and more attention right now. So that's why the president asked me to bring such a big delegation to Fiji to show to the Fijian government that we are very serious on this issue. So we understand that, like I mentioned earlier, that we also working very hard right now to improve our economy. So this is one of the targets. So, and also bring some equality, not only the rich people to be richer, but we like also to see the ordinary people to enjoy the fruit of the prosperity in Indonesia. And I believe also it happened also the same thing in Fiji. So then we're going to share or exchange experience on this particular issue. So again, you will see more and more high-ranking officers from Indonesia to visit this region, basically to establish more economic cooperation between like Fiji and Indonesia. Like we discussed it on the Prime Minister, like water industry, maybe like sugarcane industry and fishing industry, some other things that can be explored in the near future. So I'm very confident that we can do a lot together, especially in this for the benefit of these two countries.
No, thank you.
Thank you.
Excellency, this is my card.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes,
Really nice meeting you.
Thank you.
Hope see you in Jakarta.
Yes.